Hey guys, welcome to today's InstaForex show today, where we use technical analysis to determine high probability setups. So for today, we'll be talking about gold, right? Actually, USD, right? So what we want to do is want to determine market structure. And you can see that gold is clearly on uptrend, right? You can see that gold has been making higher lows, right? And higher highs. So gold is on uptrend, and you can clearly see ascending trend line right here, right? So for ascending trend line, I always say you have to at least minimally touch 3 points, right? So I'll show you why this is a pretty good ascending trend line. Okay, so the reason why I think there's a good ascending trend line is because price has reacted off it quite a few times around this area, right? So you can see that, price have, respected this ascending trend line. So you can say that, you can clearly see that price is on a bullish momentum, right? So now the reason why I think that this is a good trade for today is because, right, it's reaching the support of ascending trend line. Okay, so obviously you want to determine your stop loss, your take profit, and your, sell and your buy entry levels, right? So for my stop loss, for my entry level is clearly at least around this area, right, where it touched the support of a ascending trend line. Okay, so what do you expect the price to do? You expect price to go down here, right, and then it will go up, right? So our stop loss level must be near our, our buy entry level, right? And any, stop loss level should be placed at a level where it invalidates your, your idea, right? So what I'm thinking now is that it will bounce from our ascending trend line support, right? But if it doesn't bounce from there, right, in the case that it breaks our ascending trend line support, that should be our stop loss level. Okay, so I'll put this buy entry level here, and our stop loss level should be placed at a very strong graphical level, which I'll place it around here, where our graphical overlap, support. Okay, so you can see that price also reacted from here, right? Have a very strong, reaction when it touched this area, right? So you can see that this is a very good resistance area. So it's a resistance turn support area. Okay, so you can see that, as I say, price reacted over here and reacted over here, and it did a very big, reversal downward. Okay, so you can say that this is a very good support, and also your, your stop loss level. Okay, it also invalidates your claim, as I said earlier, right? If it breaks, right, it means that there might be a reversal coming soon, right? There might not be a continuation of a bullish momentum. Okay, so next, what you want to do is you want to put your take profit level, right? And your take profit level can be around this area, right? It's a graphical swing high level, or if you want to be safer, you can put it around here, right? Both give a pretty good risk reward ratio of a 1:2 to 1:3, right? I'm a pretty safe trader, right? So I'll put it about 1800, right? And I'll put my take profit level here. Okay, since I don't have it in my template, I'll just put the take profit, right? And I'll put a green line, right, to show it clearer. Okay, there's my green line. All right, so continue on. What I want to do next is use Fibonacci retracement and projection to determine, right, my so-called, resistance and support level, whether it's good or not. Okay, so you can see there's a 38.2 retracement of stop loss, right? So you can say that this is a pretty good level, right? Next, I'm going to use projection to determine my support levels too. Okay, so I'll do this here. Okay, I don't know whether it's a very good one. I'm just testing right now. I can see that it's very near our 100% projection, so I'll keep it. Right. Okay, next you have to determine your retracement and projection graphically, right? As I said earlier, where you can see that it is a very good graphical level too, right? It touched two overlap resistance area. Okay, so this is the stop loss area, and your take profit level, obviously you want to find it the other way, right? You want to use a retracement downwards from the top to the bottom. And you can see it touch our 61.8 retracement, right? And next you want to use projection, right, to also determine your resistance area. So I'll use my projection here to maybe here. Okay, now let's do some flips. Okay, so never touch is okay, right? Sometimes you try a bit of error here and there. Do a try and error, right? And you can do it maybe here. 61.8%. I would say that this is a good level. The reason why you can look at it graphically, right, is also our graphical swing high and also our previous high, very near our previous high, as you can see, right? So I can just put this as my whole take profit area, right? It's pretty wide, right? As I say, it really depends on the risk reward ratio, right? If you take it at 1800, right, it's a 1:2. If you take it at 1810, right, it's a 1:3, right? It's around the area, right? So you can see next I want to use indicators to actually support the reason why I think it might go up, right? So you can see that for Ichimoku, right, price is trading above the clouds, okay? And then next maybe I'll use our natural moving average, right? I'll find a natural moving average. So how do you find natural moving average actually, right? You want to find a moving average, right? That, is not very sensitive, right? To be most accurate, okay? So a short-term, moving average means that price is obviously going to be more sensitive. I'll try 50, right? I think 50 is very good. The reason why, because you can see touch, right? Very big, reactions from after it touched the moving average. So you can see here, right? It reacted upwards. Now it's going to touch again, right? It's probably going to react upwards again. So you can see that price is trading above our moving average also, right? And let me change this to golden color, right? So to summarize, right, my take profit level we place at 1800.869, right, or 18100 around the area, right, our 61.8 projection and retracement. Our buy entry price will be placed at our support of ascending trend line, right, at 1784.544. Right, our stop loss level is placed at a level to invalidate our claim, right, at 1780.202, right, at a graphical overlap resistance area. Okay, and then the reason why I think it is going up is because it's trading above, price is currently trading above our Ichimoku clouds and also our natural moving average. So with this, it comes to an end to my today's InstaForex share of the day. I hope to catch you in the next one.